constituency. And of course, remember, this is a research and an organization research by Designing Africa. Designing Africa, a leading research firm in Africa. Kiharu constituency at #1 national rating and the best performing in Moraga County. Nyeri Town is position 9. Nationwide, Nyeri Town is position 9. And the best performing in Nyeri County is #1.
Na mimi pia naanza kusema asanti sana na shukrani kubwa sana kwa watu wa Kiharu for enabling us to work for them vile tumefanya kazi huko. I really want to thank my CDFC, the committee ile tunafanya nayo kazi ya CDF, kwa sababu huwa tunafanya hiyo kazi kama tumejitolea zaidi. Now, one thing I would want to say is that most of the projects and what we do in Kiharu is always data driven. One of the things I did when I became MP is that we went around all our primary and secondary schools and we collected accurate data. We have all the data of all the classrooms in Kiharu to a point where if you ask me a school, for example, Mamobo Primary, class 6, its condition, I'll tell you two walls are plastered, it has 3 windows, it has this kind of window panes. And that helps us when we are allocating money so that we are precise to where the need is.